kalami, uy! Ayun, ganyan. Panalo ang dos! Ridisco crackers, saan ka pa? Panalo!
So ayan guys, so gagawin natin yung super stock guys. Ayan, ayan yung OGT natin, Burat chain guys. Sige guys, baklasin lang niya guys. So re-reglayan natin guys for tignan natin yung takbo nito guys. Guys, ayan guys, sinalpak natin yung kamsi guys. Ayan yung kamsi guys. So re-reglayan na natin to guys. Let's go. Let's go. Pinordingan na ni Jimson yung hit niya. So, ano masasabi mo?
Thank you.
Ha? Thank you. Happy birthday, Cheng. Galing Malaysia. Malaysian mechanic yan, si Jimson. Ayan na po yung cams guys. Ayan guys, medyo may dirty lang konti, pero ayan na, goods na guys. So, ang lip nito guys is 5.5 lang po ito guys. So, ayan, kaya na dyan. Stock bore, stock lahat. So ayan, nagka-carb lang siya. So ayan, happy birthday.
So ayan guys, natapos na natin, papaanda rin natin check engine. Dito. Ang ating engine, pakinggan nyo yung makina. Yeah. Guys, bago na yung tunog niya, mukhang chick engine na siya. Chick! Happy birthday, Cheng! Cheng, happy birthday!
Salamat.
Salamat. Ayan guys, try na ni Maxim guys. Ayos! Malakas na siya guys. So, try natin yung flyby na guys. So stock sila yung gamit kasi. It's okay. Ayan. Let's try it. Come on, Jimson. Pang wheelie, oy. Ayos. Malakas talaga itong dash guys. Goods guys. Talagang simple lang yung setup natin dito. Goods guys. Ayan guys, flyby. Let's go, Jimson. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Kalami, uy! Ayun, ganyan lang guys yung super stock whip dash. Di, dali, wala. Neutral, permira, tamaki largo. Bugo, hinatan. Mual. Sige, start. Okay, perfect. Let's go home. 57 XRM versus Super Stock na dash. So yan, maglalaro silang dalawa. 57 versus Super Stock. Tignan nyo guys kung gaano kalakas yung Super Stock natin. Guys. Dash. 57 guys. Wala nang lining ang 57. May chance tayo. Let's go. Let's go Dash. Check engine. Yan na. Ayan! Putang ina Dash! Go Dash! Panalo ang Dash! Yeah! Ganun lang. Release ko, crackers. San ka pa? Panalo.